Hello viewers, welcome to Santhi Online Plants. In today's video, we are going to see about the interesting facts on vetiver and lemongrass. You all people can think, does a grass have any importance? Undoubtedly, definitely it is a yes. Yes, grasses like lemongrass and vetiver are of much importance to mankind and agriculture, both economically and ecologically. These two grasses comes under the category of herbal plants. So, we'll move on to the interesting facts on vetiver. In ancient times, for a king's victory, people used to offer these vetiver garland as a token of appreciation, as the name itself depicts that vetri plus ver, meaning victory plant. Secondly, it is derived from the name vetiver is derived from a Tamil word meaning roots that are dug out. If you plant these vetiver in your farmland or home gardening or kitchen gardening, it acts as a good soil conservator and also as an erosion controller. That is, it prevents the soil from sheet erosion, and additionally, it also removes the chemical pollutants and toxic substance from the soil. It protects the farmland from pests, weeds and diseases, and its leaves can also be used as an animal feed. It acts as a good refreshment plant due to the presence of aromatic leaves. It acts as a termite controller and as an excellent insect repellent. It is a native to India plant, and home growing these home gardening and kitchen gardening vetiver can be termed as an herbal and medicinal plant. The vetiver root water is an excellent antioxidant property that it improves the hair growth and skin condition due to the presence of antimicrobial and antiseptic properties. Drinking the vetiver root water improves the digestion and cleans the intestinal tract and aids the bowel movement. If you are living in an industrial area and your drinking water is contaminated with the chromium contaminants, if you incorporate these vetiver roots into the drinking water, it cleans the contaminates and it improves the water quality and makes the water fresh and clean to drink. Harvesting 1 year can be done after the planting of vetiver. Nextly, we will move on to the interesting facts on lemongrass. Why the term lemongrass? Lemongrass, as the term indicates, if you crush the leaves of the lemongrass, it emits the fresh odor of citrus and or lemon flavor. The lemongrass has an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties due to the presence of citronella, limonin, limonol and eugenol. Drinking lemongrass tea daily, it is good for stomach aches, treats the digestive problems and cures the insomnia and other sleeping sickness. It has stress reducing properties, and it has no side effects. Next, we'll move on to the care and maintenance of these lemongrass and vetiver. Firstly, soil. It can be planted in a wide range of soil and with a good organic content. Watering, it can be done once in a week and just to moist the soil and not to make soggy condition. Container, it can be placed in a wide range of containers which are deep and wide sized. Nextly, sunlight, it can be placed in a direct sunlight for about 6 to 8 hours. So after all these conditions, where do you get these plants? You can get all these plants, beneficial plants like lemongrass and vetiver from our Santhi online nursery website at affordable cost. So keep green, keep our planet green. This is Sudhindra signing off. Thanks for watching.